Using templates and blueprints is one of the best ways to build faster, whether you're working on a project, developing a business, or creating something from scratch. By utilizing these pre-built frameworks, you can skip over hours of planning and focus on what really matters, getting things done quickly and efficiently. Let me show you exactly how to use templates and blueprints to streamline your work and save valuable time. First, let's start by understanding what templates and blueprints actually are. Templates are pre-designed structures or layouts, while blueprints are more like detailed plans for building something from the ground up. The key to using them effectively is knowing how to adapt them to your specific needs and avoid the common trap of overthinking or customizing every single detail. The first step in using templates and blueprints to build faster is to find the right ones. You want templates that are close to what you're trying to build so you don't spend extra time modifying them. Whether you're working on a website, a project, or a business plan, there are tons of options out there. I've tested some of the most popular software out there, and I'll give you an exclusive free trial for one that I recommend, linked in the description below. Once you've got your template or blueprint, it's time to customize it. And here's where it gets interesting. Don't try to reinvent the wheel. The point is to take the structure that's already there and make it your own. Focus on changing the parts that truly need modification to fit your specific goals. Don't waste time redoing elements that are already optimized for you. Now, when you're working with templates and blueprints, it's essential to keep your focus narrow. Don't try to change everything at once. Focus on small, manageable tasks. For example, if you're working with a website template, start by customizing the homepage or the main features you need. If it's a business plan blueprint, just plug in your specific numbers and ideas without getting bogged down in every detail. By breaking things down this way, you can avoid feeling overwhelmed and stay on track. As you move through your project, make sure to keep an eye on how much time you're saving. A lot of people overlook the speed factor when using templates, but the real benefit comes from how much quicker you can finish a project when you're not starting from scratch. The time you save here can be applied elsewhere to focus on what matters most to your overall success. When it comes to software, you'll want a tool that makes using templates and blueprints even easier. That's why I recommend the software we'll be using today, which has all the tools you need to streamline your work and really maximize the power of templates and blueprints. Be sure to take advantage of the exclusive free trial linked in the description to follow along with me. Here's the key takeaway. Templates and blueprints are powerful tools to speed up any project. But the key is to find the right ones, customize them efficiently, and focus on specific, manageable tasks. By following these steps, you'll build faster and more effectively. To recap, first, find the right template or blueprint. Then, customize it without overthinking. Next, focus on the key areas that need modification and break your project into smaller tasks. Finally, make sure you're using the right software to make everything run smoothly. And don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description to make your process even easier. Thanks for watching, and good luck building faster with templates and blueprints.